Let us start with the first poem, The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost was born on March 26, 1874, death January 29, 1963. He was an American poet and a playwright. Before his works were initially published in England, and later on it started publishing in America. His poems usually revolve around the realistic depiction of ordinary life and people. His poem usually has a despairing content. His description of background and character is vivid. Now let us see The Dust of Snow. It is a simple and a short poem, yet with a deeper and an inner meaning. Let us start with the poem. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had due. Now let us start with the first stanza. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So the openings of the poem is where we can see the poet is in a bad mood and he is walking by a tree, or maybe he was under the tree sitting. So what happened here is the tree is a negative, considered as negative. It is a poisonous tree, that is a hemlock tree. As he passes by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. We don't know how the snow has fallen, whether the crow was readjusting itself on the tree or whether it was flying, but the small dust particle fell on the poet. And this bird is a crow. Again, the crow is considered to be inauspicious. So both hemlock tree and also the crow is an inauspicious thing in this poem. It signifies sadness and gloom. This was the opening scene and this was the mood of the poet. Now let us continue with the second part. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of the day I had due. Now you can see that in the opening part the poet was sad, but as the snow dust particle fell on him, it changed his mood, it lifted his mood. He became more happier and it was joyful to him. The bad mood turned to be good one by hemlock tree and the crow. It is beautifully portrayed that inauspicious thing turned to positive one, and that had saved all his day. Whatever he was supposed to do had given him a positive vibe. So the message in this poem is that we should be open and accept the nature, whichever way it is, choose to bless us. Whether it is positive or negative, we should always remember that it can be at one moment negative, but the other moment it can turn to be positive. So stay positive. Thank you.